In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access your GoToMeeting recordings. Whether you're revisiting an important session or sharing a meeting with someone who couldn't attend, this process is straightforward. Let's walk through it together step by step, ensuring you know exactly where to find your recordings and how to access them efficiently. First things first, we need to check the GoToMeeting settings. The settings are like the command center for your meetings, dictating how and where your recordings are stored. To start, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the GoToMeeting interface, where you should see your profile icon. Clicking on your profile icon is like opening the door to your personal settings hub. From here, you'll have access to the various configurations that GoToMeeting offers. Once you've opened your profile menu, the next step is to select Settings. This option allows you to customize your GoToMeeting experience to suit your needs better. By navigating to the settings, you're essentially setting the stage to access your recorded content. Inside the Settings menu, look for an option labeled Content. Selecting this will take you to an area specifically dedicated to the management of your media files, which includes your meeting recordings. Consider this section your library of captured sessions, waiting to be organized or retrieved. Now, let's focus on the Recordings tab within the Content section. This particular tab is crucial because it tells you exactly where your recordings are being stored on your computer or in the cloud. For our example today, the recordings are configured to save locally on the computer. Specifically, they're stored under the file path C users DM plus videos. This directory path is essentially the address of your recordings. It tells you precisely where to find those vital meeting files on your device. Understanding where your recordings are saved is essential for easy retrieval and ensures you can locate these files without hassle. If your path looks different, don't worry. Every user may have a different configuration based on their setup preferences. Just make sure to note yours so you know exactly where to look in the future. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you now know how to access your GoToMeeting recordings. It's a useful skill for ensuring you never miss the information shared during essential meetings. If you encounter any difficulties or have additional questions, feel free to explore the GoToMeeting help resources or contact their support team for further assistance. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this guide helpful and easy to follow.